Welcome to these 2 tutorials, where we'll create beautiful handmade designs step by step, giving you a stylish and personalized jewelry look. Craft a stunning golden brass shell bead charm bracelet that captures effortless coastal elegance. This beginner-friendly tutorial guides you through assembling flat round shell charms onto a delicate cable chain, using jump rings and a lobster clasp. To make this bracelet, we will need flat, round golden brass shell beads or charms that create a beautiful dangling effect. You'll need about 10-16 pieces of flat brass shell charms, each approximately 12-16 millimeters, depending on how full you want the bracelet. You'll also need a small gold round tag to add alongside the flat brass shell charms, serving as an extra charm and elegant finishing detail. Use a gold tone or brass tone cable chain that matches your charms. Let's get started and begin creating. Measure and cut a 7-inch cable chain for an average wrist. Then add an extra 1 to 2 inches of chain to create a comfortable and adjustable extender. Take a jump ring and gently open it. Slide on one end link of the bracelet chain, then attach the lobster clasp loop. Close the jump ring securely to keep the clasp firmly in place. I like to attach the clasp first before adding any charms, ensuring the bracelet is secure and easier to work with. Open a jump ring using the twist method. Insert it first through the small gold round tag, then add the flat round golden brass shell beads. Keep the jump ring open for the next step. Insert the open jump ring into the second link of the chain, close to the lobster clasp. Once positioned correctly, close the jump ring tightly to secure it. Lay your project on a flat surface to get a clear view, making it easier to place each charm accurately and evenly. Open another jump ring, and we're going to repeat the same process. Insert it first through the small gold round tag, then add the flat round golden brass shell beads to prepare your next charm cluster. Insert the open jump ring into the next link of the chain. Skip 2 links for even spacing, then close the jump ring tightly to secure the charm. Make sure the shell beads and the gold tag are facing upward, so they hang neatly and keep the bracelet looking balanced and visually appealing. Keep moving to the next charm by repeating the same steps. Open a jump ring, add your pieces, attach it to the chain, and close securely for consistent spacing. You can find these flat brass shell beads online from various jewelry supply shops. Keep adding the charms one by one, maintaining even spacing and checking that each piece hangs correctly to create a balanced and beautiful bracelet design. Charms are spaced evenly all around the bracelet. Always keep your bracelet flat while adding charms. This helps you see the spacing clearly, ensures each charm hangs correctly, and keeps your design consistent and well-balanced. We're almost there. Please be patient. The final result will be worth it, as your bracelet begins to take shape with each charm you add. Keep adding the last 2 charms, making sure they're spaced evenly and facing the right direction so your bracelet looks polished and beautifully finished. Because I'm using big charm beads, I only need fewer than 10, which still gives the bracelet a full, stylish look without making it feel too heavy. But it's up to your preference. You can use smaller shell beads if you like, and they will still give the bracelet the same beautiful, dangling charm look. We're almost there. Go ahead and attach the last 2 shell beads, making sure they're placed evenly so the bracelet maintains a balanced, polished look. Open a jump ring, using the twist method for a clean opening. Attach it to the other end of the bracelet chain. Add your teardrop coin-shaped beads, and close it tightly to secure everything in place. We've reached the last stage of this project, where your bracelet comes together beautifully and all the charms create a complete, elegant final look. Your bracelet is now ready to wear. Thank you for being with me on this creative journey. Your patience and passion made this project truly enjoyable and rewarding.
Welcome to this tutorial on creating a beautiful pearl charm chain bracelet with a toggle clasp. Join me as I guide you through each step to craft your own elegant accessory. In this tutorial, we'll create an easy, affordable pearl charm chain bracelet, perfect for parties or casual wear. Choosing the right materials is key. A sturdy cable link chain makes a perfect base for your bracelet, providing durability and a stylish foundation. Opt for white glossy round loose pearls to add a timeless, elegant touch to your bracelet, perfect for any occasion. Selecting pre-made dangle pearl charms is a great time saver. These ready-to-use charms make it easy to add instant elegance to your bracelet. For this bracelet, I'm using a toggle clasp, offering both style and convenience for easy wear and secure closure. For this bracelet, I recommend using 6mm jump rings with an 18-gauge, 1mm thickness. They're durable and perfectly sized to securely attach pearl charms while maintaining the bracelet's elegant appearance. To attach the jump rings, I'm using flat nose pliers. They provide a firm grip for precise, secure connections. Before starting, ensure all your materials are ready, including the chain, pearls, clasp, pliers, and jump rings for smooth crafting. Let's get started. Follow along step by step, and soon you'll have a beautiful, handmade pearl charm bracelet to wear. Measure the chain to match your wrist size. Typically, 7 to 8 inches is a standard bracelet length. Since we're using a large link chain, use your pliers to easily open and cut the links to the desired length. Before assembly, lay all your materials flat on a clean surface for a clear visual overview. This helps ensure you have everything organized, making the crafting process smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started on this fun project. Open a jump ring using flat nose pliers. Take a pearl charm and insert it onto the opened jump ring. Using your flat nose pliers, attach the pearl charm to the chain link. Securely close the jump ring, ensuring there's no gap. Repeat the process by opening another jump ring with your flat nose pliers. Insert the next pearl charm onto the jump ring, then securely close it and attach it to another link of the chain. Close the jump ring tightly, ensuring there's no gap. When attaching the charms to the chain, decide how far apart you want them to be for your desired look. Continue attaching more charms the same way, inserting each pearl onto a jump ring and securing it to the chain. Always lay your chain flat while working to maintain a clear view of your design. This ensures you can easily see where to connect each charm and helps you plan the spacing more accurately for a balanced and professional-looking bracelet. Using pre-made looped pearls makes crafting your bracelet much easier and quicker. These ready-made charms eliminate the need for creating loops yourself, allowing you to focus on attaching them to the chain efficiently. It speeds up the process and ensures consistency. You can easily find pre-made looped pearl beads online at various craft supply stores or marketplaces. Space the pearl charms evenly along the chain for balance. Take your time with this project. The effort you invest will be worth it when you see your beautiful, handmade bracelet. Continue adding the charms by following the same process. Open a jump ring, insert a charm, securely close the ring, and attach it to the chain. Enjoy watching your bracelet take shape. Feel free to select different colors and sizes for your charms to create a unique, personalized look that reflects your style. I'm choosing ivory pearls for my bracelet, as they are more popular and versatile, adding elegance and timeless appeal to the design. Please check below for bead availability to ensure you have all the necessary materials before starting your bracelet making project. Don't stress about the order of the charms on the chain, they don't have to be arranged in any specific sequence. Embrace your creativity by mixing them up, resulting in a unique and personalized design that reflects your style. We're almost done with our bracelet. Just a few more steps. As you can see, this is a very easy tutorial. With simple steps, you can create a stunning bracelet effortlessly. The more charms you use, the bolder your bracelet will look. Layering various charms creates an eye-catching design that adds character and personality, making your piece truly stand out in any setting. Before finishing, check your bracelet for any tangles or twists in the chain. Straighten the links to ensure a smooth, polished look, allowing the charms and chain to lay flat when worn. The final stage of this tutorial is attaching the toggle clasp. Open the jump ring. Be careful not to distort its circular shape. Attach the open jump ring to the end of the chain bracelet. After attaching the jump ring, insert the toggle clasp into the ring, then securely close it to complete your bracelet's closure. Open the last jump ring using your flat nose pliers. Attach it to the other end of the chain. Once attached, this will connect the toggle clasp and complete your bracelet's closure for a finished look. Follow the steps, and soon you'll have a beautiful pearl charm bracelet. Happy watching! Until next time.